Okay, so this is the R-Link alarm that I actually ordered. I'm gonna put that on a V-Road muzzle. So this is the SRI 1100SE with an HD factory kit for V-Road. I'm gonna show you how to install this alarm. So this is what comes in the box. So as you can see, you have the central unit over here. This is the buzzer alarm, I think. Pretty sure of it. The movement detector right here. This is the antenna. Also some harnesses. All the different connectors comes with it. I also ordered actually on the side the Scorpio connector for the V-Road, since I didn't want it, I wanted to have exactly what fits the bikes for easier, installation. So let's go ahead and go to install it. So here we have the R-Link already pre-installed. I put the antenna on it. So this is going to be the antenna that you're going to have for the R-Link system. This is where the harness actually is going to go through. After that, we have the one that we connect to the battery. We have the buzzer or the alarm, as you want to call it. The sensor. This is going to be the surrounding sensor. So this is the system connected to the main unit, and we're going to try to install that to the V-Road muzzle. Here, I actually put down the back seat. This is the connection that you're gonna guys have. As you can see here, this is actually the connection for the tail light. You see the colors that you have, that in the manual is actually, they told you the specific colors. So you can connect actually the regular harness that come with it. The colors are specified, so it's really easier. If you want to make it a little bit cleaner, thing that I did, I procured same for Scorpio actually the V-Road connector. Really easy. The only thing we have to do here, see the main box over here, unplug it. It's a little bit hard with one hand. Here, I did it. It was a little bit hard with one hand. Anyway, either you connect directly on the cables that you have here with the kit that they actually provide to you, or if you got actually the main V-Road connector, it's easier. One side is going to be for the plug. Let's plug it in. Done. And you plug it back on the other side, right? So right here. Or with one hand again. Done. So this is connected. Now we're gonna place the main alarm into the bike. Okay, the other thing to do is go to the battery and connect the plus sign to it, to the harness. Don't plug it in. Just do that at the last moment. And let's go to the next step now. Okay, so the mounting is finished. I placed the plus cable over there under the to the battery, connected directly, run it under the tank. I mean the fake tank, the air box. Run the wire and put the main unit under the seat, and also put the alarm siren under the seat. The sensor, put it right there over here. It's mounted to a piece of metal, so every kind of shock or anything is going to be sensed over there. The GPS is also put it over here. It's magnetized, so it has a magnet over there. And the key sensor just on top of the tank. I had to do some modifications though, because the plus cable for the power wasn't long enough. So I actually had to extend the cable, with a little trick. I took one of the cables of the regular harness that I put and use it to extend it to it, and I connected to it, and run it on all over up to the back seat. So now the cables are under the back seat, and everything is over there. Should be okay. The unit is under the seat. there's some space over there. So, and also I put it there at the same time because I didn't want it to have, you know, access to it, just because if you just, you know, pull out the seat and having the main unit over here would be like too obvious, and you know, just have to cut it, and doesn't make sense to have an alarm if you're gonna put it, you know, some really close and available to the one that want to take your bike. And I put it over there. After that I program it. I actually had the keychain over here that I put it with my keys. Now everything is running smoothly. I'm going to do a test, and I'm going to register the product online and do some tests so you can see. So I finished the installation of the alarm on the motorcycle. So now, as you can see, everything is mounted again. Here on my iPhone I have the application. The alarm is right now on. I can actually put it off. So you see it goes off. Sensor is unactivated. And it's gonna tell me. That's it. And that's meaning that the alarm is off now, and the app should be now updating. Done. So it's off. I can go near the motorcycle and nothing's gonna happen. Nothing's happening. Okay. Now I'm gonna go back. So I found out something. If you actually get the key with the sensor, it's gonna deactivate automatically. So I'm gonna put it right here, a few feet away. I'm gonna reactivate the alarm. And normally the sensor will go on. Go on. Perimeter sensor should be on now, and the icon should be changing now. And it changed. So now normally if I approach the motorcycle, should be goes off. And see, that's it. And it goes on with lights and all. That's it. I just enabled the alarm. Now if you actually come nearby with the keys, it's not going to trigger the alarm. It actually detects it, so it knows that it's you. And that's it. I mean, that's the R-Link connected to it. And thank you.